Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a PDF portfolio using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF Foxit PDF Editor software. Now select File option and select your Create option, and here you will find this PDF portfolio option. Click here. You can create blank page portfolio or existing PDF file. Select portfolio and add files. For a file, you can select folder files. I need this PDF file, this one, and this one also. Now select open. You can organize and rearrange file, move down, and this one will up. Now select create and increase this thumbnail and see this total 5 files here, and click here and see this open, this one open, this one also. And here you can delete any file, you can add new files, you can reduce file size and extract from portfolio, you can separate it and so on. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.